Hello my friend, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today we're gonna talk about the zoom in and zoom out video effect in Canva. It's really easy to do and let's dive in. So let's open our project and let's imagine we wanna edit this one. So we have separate files, separate elements. So what we wanna do, we just wanna press share, we press download, select PNG format and download it. After download is finished, we press uploads. Upload the file, select from your computer, open it. After download is finished, you just press Ctrl A, delete, we delete everything, remove the background, let's make it white, and we select the photo to upload it. So what we want to do, we first want to align the picture here. We want to create a second page. We want to create a second page. We want to duplicate it. So we press Ctrl D, or you can place duplicate. And after that, let's say we want to zoom in this part. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna zoom in the photo, make it a little bit by holding Ctrl and dragging the middle mouse button. So let's say we want to zoom in this position. All right. So again, we're gonna duplicate the page and we're gonna zoom in this page a little bit more. All right. After that, we're gonna duplicate again the page. We're gonna zoom out, or we can do trick. If we want to zoom out the next picture, we're gonna duplicate this page and move it here, and this one also, and move it here. So in the end, we have video like this. Let's see, here, you press here, add match and move, apply between all pages. All right, like this, so like this. I'll move this one here, here, and here. So we want duration, right? So we're gonna change the duration to, let's say, 1.5 seconds and apply between all pages. And in the end, we have transition like this. So let me remove this one, match and move. All right. So let's see what we have here. Yes, so you can zoom in any part you like. You can zoom in and edit it how you like. So I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.